front of me is HUAWEI Nova 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use pop-up view on this HUAWEI. First of all, just open one of your apps like browser and click on this square button to access background apps. Now select this icon at the top right corner of your app, and as you can see now, I can use it inside the window over here. In order to move it around, you can hold this line and drag it. If you wish to use it overlay the other app, just access the other app and operate in both. If you wish to make it smaller, click on home button to turn it into a bubble. If you wish to move it, just hold it and drag it. Then to access it, click on the bubble and use it however you wish to. If you wish to close your app, you need to click on this icon at the top right corner of it, or you can make it full screen by clicking on this one on the top left one. But you can also click on home button instead, turn it into a bubble one more time, but this time hold it and drag it to the pin icon. When it's red, let go. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!